comprehension notes. For this assignment, or for these notes, you will need the notes that are titled Reading Comprehension. I have a copy of the notes that will be popping up throughout this whole entire PowerPoint presentation. Please complete the notes using this PowerPoint to help you. This is what the front looks like, only the top half. The directions say, comprehension is important when reading. Comprehension simply means to understand. When we comprehend something, that means that we understand it. Accordingly, reading comprehension means to understand the reading. There are many strategies that can be used to help you better comprehend when reading. The notes below focus on reading comprehension strategies. QAR. QAR stands for question, answer, relationship. On your notes, fill in the blanks with question, answer, relationships. Throughout these notes, all things that you need to write down will be in red. So question, answer, relationships. There are two types of QAR. In the book and in your head. Oftentimes when people are reading and they have to answer questions afterwards, they're trying to find the answer, but they're looking in the book for the answer, and oftentimes you can find the answer in the book. Other times the answer is in your head and it's not in the book, and so you're wasting your time looking in the book for the answer because it's not there. Understanding question-answer relationship will help you determine where the answer might be. That way you don't waste your time. There are 4 types of QAR, question-answer relationships. Right there, the answers are in the text. Usually words from the question match words in the text. Think and search. The answers are in the text, but they are in multiple sentences or multiple paragraphs. 2 types of QAR that's in your head is author and you. The answers are not directly in the text. You'll use what the author has told you and what you already know about the topic to answer the author and you questions. On your own is the last type of QAR. The answers for on your own questions are not in the text. You need to think about your personal experiences in order to answer these types of questions. In order to better understand reading, we will also be making text connections. A text is a piece of writing. Text connections is where we connect to the text. We connect to the writing. There are 3 types of text connections that we're going to focus on. Text to self, text to text, and text to world. Text to self is where you connect what's going on in the writing to your own life. Text to text is where you connect what's going on in the writing to another piece of writing. Text to world is when you connect what's going on in the writing to the world around you, maybe somebody else's life or the world as a whole. I want you all to pause the video clip and we are going to draw. You're going to draw in each box. In the first box, I want you to draw what comes to mind when you think of text to self. In the second box, I want you to draw what comes to mind when you think of text to text. In the third box, I want you to draw what comes to mind when you think of text to world. But this time, pause the video clip and draw these things. You can use colored pencils, you can use the markers. Draw. Finally, the last type A strategy that we're going to use to help us comprehend our reading is inferences. An inference is an educated guess. Prior knowledge is what you already know. Text evidence is a part of the text that supports your inference. You will need prior knowledge and text evidence to make your inference. You'll think about what you already know. You'll look at what the text says, and then you will make an educated guess that connects what you already know with what the text says. So prior knowledge plus text evidence equals an inference. Below number 4, there are other forms of the word inference that you'll see a lot. Infer is one of them, and inferential is the other form of the word inference that you'll see frequently. Please note that the word prior means before, and the word knowledge means information. Thus, prior knowledge is information you had before you started reading. Prior knowledge helps you to make inferences. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.